Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner Rechargeable Handheld Automotive Vacuum Cleaner for Car Wireless Dust Catcher Cyclone Suction. Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner Rechargeable Handheld Automotive Vacuum Cleaner for Car Wireless Dust Catcher Cyclone Suction. If you're looking for a portable, cordless vacuum cleaner that can clean your car, the product name is a great option. It's lightweight and easy to use, and it has a powerful suction that can pick up dirt, dust, and debris. The vacuum cleaner also comes with a variety of attachments, so you can clean all areas of your car, including the seats, floor, and dashboard. Here are some of the pros and cons of the product.